Hi everyone, this is TJ Wickersham. I'm your anchor on Marshallton Village weather. Today we have a snowstorm incoming, which is hitting hard in the Philadelphia, specifically Marshallton area. We're going to cut now to our field reporter, Brett Wickersham, who is outside in the thick of it now.
Hello, I'm Brett Wickersham with Marshallton Village Weather, and today, on Sunday, February 22nd, we have snow.
How much snow do we have?
An inch.
Wow.
It is looking to be worse than the last snowstorm we had a month ago.
How cold is it?
It's cold. The snow is blowing in my face, and it looks to be blizzard type of snow.
Okay.
And I can't see like 300 yards in front of me. I can see everything else though. So, and the conditions, as you can tell, it's slippery. So I would advise for everyone to stay off the streets and don't go outside naked. Thank you.
Here, now we'll cut to our weather report on the roads, also with Brett Wickersham.
Hello, I'm here in the elements, and we are going to be asking bystanders their thoughts on the storm. Hello, sir. What is your name?
Dad,
How would you describe the weather today?
slick driving.
All right, you heard it there.
Well, there we have it. It is a slick one out there today on the Marshallton streets. Stay safe, everyone. This has been Marshallton Village Weather. I am your host, TJ Wickersham. Stay safe out there.